How is it? How are you feeling? It is soon to decide. I'm trying to compare you with others. Obona injawulo enamunede nabi wadde kwagukala nengake gukutulako da. So it's important that you leave it to mature.